Life is a time pass, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, पता नहीं, जो थारी राय सो हमारी राय, nothing to do, nowhere to go, देखो सुनो मत बोलो, wherever, whenever, whatever you are, be 100%, करे नाटक, किसी को आओ मत कहो, किसी को जाओ मत कहो, ना कुछ पाना ना कुछ खोना, who asked you live at zero complete level, मौज में रहो, be happy.
श्री कृष्णा श्री कृष्णा श्री कृष्णा श्री कृष्णा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः, गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म, तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः, तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। Bhagwan Sri Krishna in Bhagavad Gita 6th chapter told Arjun, what is the ultimate that we have to attain as a human being? In the 6th chapter, Tattvamasi Mahavakya Upadesh is done. Yasmin sarvani bhutani atmannevanupashyati sarva bhutastamatmanam na tato vijugupsate. From Upanishad, the same words are borrowed by Bhagavan and told. As a result, what should happen? So he says, Atmaupammena sarvatra samam pashyati Arjuna, sukham va yadi va dukkham sa yogi paramo mataha. What is the attainment of spiritual evolution? Atmaupammena sarvatra samam pashyati Arjuna. Hey Arjun, he who is able to understand the standpoint of others without getting obsessed by his own standpoint. How important it is. We are all obsessed. What I say, that is right. You said like this, I said like this. There is no end to this. See? Many times what happens, after the satsang is over, even on the WhatsApp or phones I get these messages. Swamiji, today you have sorted out my problem. Now, why it happened? Because I was not having any obsessed standpoint. See? If I am talking about I will not be able to give up this obsession of I. Then what happens? Sukham va yadi va dukkham. As we are able to appreciate our joy and sorrows, we must have to have the ability to appreciate the joy and sorrows of others. So means what? When we have some good event in our life, an event of happiness, then we like to celebrate that happiness with more people. Happiness expands when it is celebrated. And then if there is a misery, we don't celebrate misery. Then we expect somebody to come and give us a word of compassion, support. In the same manner, when we are able to be happy in the happiness of others, and when we are able to appreciate what the other man is going through in his tortures, in his difficulty, then alone we have given up our obsession about our standpoint. Sa yogi paramo mataha. He is the param yogi. Not the one who is wasting time in twisting the body. To understand this, what we have to do? Again, Arjuna raises a question. See? Chanchalam hi mana Krishna pramati balavad drudam etasyaham nigraham manne vayo riva sadushkaram. Hey Bhagavan, what you are telling, equanimity of the mind is very difficult, not possible. Not possible. Why? He gives reasons, 4 reasons. Chanchalam hi mana Krishna pramati balavad drudam. Mind is fickle, not steady. Pramati, when the mind is disturbed, everything gets disturbed. Balavat is very powerful. We get carried away by our own mind. Drudham is obsessed. Meri murgi ki ek hi tang. No, but normally the murgi has 2 tongues. No, meri murgi ki ek hi tang. What can you do with such a person? See? So when he is thus complaining, so what normally happens, when we are arguing and complaining, what it means? It means we do not want to change. See? Spiritual practice is, we are ready, wanting and able to change ourselves. If we have got a driving license, the traffic will not change. We have to change. If we are walking spiritual path, we have to change. And for that, the abhyas is to be done. So when Arjuna thus complained, Bhagavan said, yes, Chanchalam, I agree with you. But abhyasena tu kaunteya vairagena cha griyate. Hey Kunti Putra, Kaunteya means intelligent one. Kunta is very sharp. Kaunteya, Kunti's son, very intelligent. Then what is to be done? Abhyasena tu Kaunteya vairagena cha griyate. You have to practice. And you are able to practice if you are dispassionate. See? So what is that practice? Abhyasa. One of the most important aspects of spiritual life is practice. So what is the practice? This is what is said in the 2nd chapter. See, ya esha supteshu jagarti kamam purusho nirmamanaha tadeva shukrap tad brahma tadeva amritam uchyate tasmin lokashrita sarve tadunatteti kaschana etadvaitat. Now we are doing the abhyas to recognize our essential nature. Why is the wrong question? Who is the right question? Who is arguing? Who is miserable? Not why. Who is? So, yaha esha supteshu jagarti kamam purusho nirmamana. The one who is in the sleep projecting so many things, and as a result, our desires are fulfilled. See? Whatever we cannot achieve in our waking world, that we try to achieve in the dream. There was a subordinate, always tortured by his boss. He slept. What will be his dream? He has become the boss, and the boss has become a servant. Ramo Panilya. And the boss, yes sir, yes sir. He brings, who asked you, get away? Because that was happening to him. So he is trying to relive that only in imagination. See, the quality of our dreams tells the quality of our waking life. Waking is only in the waking. Dream is only in the dream. Deep sleep is only in the deep sleep. Spiritual life is in and through all the four. See? Therefore, Yaesha Supteshu Jagrati Kamam Kamam Purusho Nirvamana Tadeva Shukram Tad Brahma. This one which is projecting everything good or bad, that is the Brahman, that is reality. Tadeva Amrita Muchyate. And this has to be attained as one's essential nature. Therefore, more than why and how, question should be who is angry, who is disturbed, who is fighting, who wants something. Then we will come to the base that there is somebody at the root of every thought. Now find out, is that body real? See, then we come to know the one who is disturbed, miserable, doesn't exist. So how can you help a non-existing entity? Tasmin loka shrita sarve tadu natyeti kaschana. And this one is supporting everything. Sarve lokaha, all experiences. Again Gita, mattaha smriti jnanam apohanancha. I alone support waking, dream, deep sleep and samadhi. Therefore, Vedaisya sarvai ahameva vedyaha. What is worthy of knowing is this aham. Who is disturbed? Who wants something? Who is arguing? See? Tasmin loka shrita sarve tadu natyeti kaschana. Nobody can contaminate me. Waking comes and goes. I do not come, do not go. Dream comes and goes. I do not come and do not go. Deep sleep comes and goes. I never sleep. Samadhi begins and ends. I am the same. Then how to live life? Karnataka. Whatever you are supposed to do, do that sincerely, without any obsession, without any argument, without any logic. Etad vaitad. This is the truth. So this abhyas we have to again and again do. Agnair yate ko bhuvanam pravishto rupam rupam prati rupo babhuva ekas tatha sarva bhutantaratma rupam rupam prati rupo bahishya. Every mantra is so powerful. Agnihi yatha ekaha. Fire is only one. Ekaha bhuvanam pravishtaha. In different conditionings the fire enters. And rupam rupam prati rupo bhavo. It has as if become many. Fire is only one. Because of the spark, it appears as if the fire has become many. See? Similarly, ekas tatha sarva bhutantaratma. There is but one reality that alone is expressing in and through the multiplicity without becoming many. This abhyas, this example I have been giving shamelessly, and I appreciate you. Don't change. So many colors are supported by one vision. Vision doesn't get disturbed. What is the spiritual practice? Don't talk about differences. Talk about the commonness. Similarly, sense organs are 5, mind is 1. Mind has got likes and dislikes, I is 1. This I comes and goes, but the life is 1. Start your journey, reverse gear, go back. Ekas tatha sarva bhutantaratma. We have seen in our Yoga Vasishtha, as we dream, in our dream there are so many things, complete world is there. When our dumb mind can create such a beautiful dream at the individual level, and after our dream is over, do we worry about what happened to that person who was doing such and such thing. No, dream is over, everything is over. Exactly the same way, Brahmaji's dream, we are the characters in that dream. Our is a mini dream, he is a maxi dream. So, when he wakes up from the sleep, Mahapralaya. Therefore, Upanishad says, what is the world? Yatha Purvam Akalpayat. Where it was left, from there it starts again. Like when we are sleeping, that time we are nobody. No husband, wife, father, mother, nothing. But when we wake up, we don't wake up. See, sleep as a daughter-in-law, wake up as a mother-in-law. No, you continue. The day you recognize this truth, we have fulfilled studying Vedanta for so many years. See, Ekastatha Sarva Bhutantaratma Rupam Rupam Pratirupo Bahishya. He is alone supporting everything, and yet he is beyond everything. Like water alone is supporting the ocean and the waves. Ocean, the cause, waves, the effect. But water is neither the cause nor the effect. It is beyond cause or effect. Therefore, one of the most powerful spiritual practices is don't get lost into argument and logic. Mind will come to a halt. And you will see intellectuals are more miserable than the average people. Because intellectuals are tu, mai, tu. And the Gujarati, kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi. Hu tu, hu tu, hu tu. Dekho Maharaj, Rupam Rupam Pratirupo Bahishya, and yet beyond all. Therefore, man is, the same man is the son, the same man is the husband, the same man is the father, and yet he is beyond all of them. Rupam Rupam Pratirupo Bahishya. He has become everything. Like water has become the cause, the ocean, and affects the waves, and yet the water is beyond all that. Don't have to do anything, my friends. Waking comes, goes. What is a gain and a loss to us? Dream comes and goes. What is a gain and a loss? We are the same. This we will be able to recognize if we have the courage. Nayamatma balahinena labhyaha. The truth is not for the weaklings. The truth is not for the dropouts. See? For whom is the truth? You must have seen people many times, they eat the sugar cane piece. Keep on chewing. Swallow all the juice. Being ideal Indian on the road. See? Therefore, don't get carried away by unwanted things. Throw it away. So, Rupam Rupam Pratirupo Bahishya. Although supporting everything, yet beyond everything. Now tell me what sadhana you have to do. I am son, I am husband, I am father. What sadhana I have to do? To be a man. Don't take father seriously. Fathers are outdated. They will be obsessed with something. What is to be done? Say yes, yes, and keep them away. Friends, remember these principles. Don't get too much carried away by Matru Bhakti, Pitru Bhakti. Wow. Everybody has got their own limitation. Ultimately, they are man and woman. So many houses we have seen. Because of this, the families break. They don't understand anything. See, play your role. Don't get carried away. How important it is. Therefore, we all have to play our roles. Play your role, but don't get entangled in any role. And this can happen only if we are here with the clarity of our mission. The mission is we should be such a perfect instrument that He will choose us. Kabirji says, I am going ahead and Ram is running after me. Kabir, wait, Kabir, wait. We are running after him, Ram. Now see, we are coming over here. Now in this beautiful temple, I do not know anybody. But I know Girish Bhai. So, whom will I approach? The one who is available, who is capable, who is willing. Then only this can happen. So when an average person is looking for someone who is available, is he not looking for someone who is available, capable, willing? And that can happen if we have no personal agenda in life. So for example, the same example, he is not getting money out of me, nor he is getting anything. So of all the people, why I chose him is this reason. In the same manner, he is also searching, waiting to find out one body through whom he can express. And what is the sadhana? Empty yourself. There was a Mahatma in a mountainous area, and one seeker went to him and gave his introduction. I have studied Vedanta, I have done Sanskrit, I have done this thing, blah, 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 blah. Yes. Mahatma is a Mahatma. Now, tell me what more I had to do. So that Mahatma said, you have come such a long distance, please sit down, have a cup of tea, we'll do it. Then he prepared a cup of tea, black cup of tea, no milk, no sugar. And he started pouring that tea in the cup. And the cup was filled, and again it was overflowing, but the Mahatma is still continuing. So the person said, sir, the cup is full. You cannot add anything more into that. He said, did you get the answer? You are so full and you want to know something more. Real spiritual practice is emptying ourselves, unbecoming. And it is possible by the technique of undoing. See, my friends, otherwise whole life is Suryo yatha sarva lokasya chakshuhu nalipyate chakshushair bhaya doshaihi ekas tatha sarva bhutantaratma nalipyate loka dukkena bhayyaha. Suryaha yatha sarva lokasya chakshuhu. Like the sun is the eye of the whole world, and nalipyate chakshushair bhaya doshaihi. But the sun is not influenced, affected by all that is illuminated by the sunlight. Whether it is a marriage procession or another marriage procession. What is that? Or put it the other way, you will understand better. Whether it is a janaza or a marriage procession. Marriage is nothing but the death only. अच्छा खासा आदमी मर गया, पतित पावन सितारा. तो सूर्यो यथा सर्वलोकस्य चक्षुः न लिप्यते बाह्य चक्षुषै दोषैः. Like the illuminator is not influenced by what is illumined. Remember this rule, 100 times I told. See? But we have got the glasses. If you have got yellow glasses, you will see everybody suffering from jaundice. So where is that jaundice? Neither in the people nor in the eyes. It is in the media through which we are looking. We have to give up these obsessions as if nobody will change in this world. No, things change. See? Suryo yatha sarva lokasya chakshuhu na lipyate bhaya chakshushe doshahi ekastatha sarva bhutantaratma. In the same manner, there is but one reality expressing, pulsating in and through all the things and beings. This point also I had made 100 times. Just start playing with yourself. What it is like being outside or other than the body. What it is like being other than the body. Work on it. Then you start thinking. Chitta vritti nirodh will not help. Start thinking. Other than the body means what? So what is body? Body has got a shape. Okay. Other than the body means no shape, no form. Okay. Now let me play. What it is like being formless. Be attentive. The moment mind is given an object which has no form, no shape, mind dissolves. Mind cannot survive without name and forms. Therefore, what is the world? World is Namarupatmak Jagat. Start playing what it is like being formless. When we work on it sincerely, then the next step will come. What is formless in this world? Or only I am imagining? No. Space is formless. Wow, very right. So let us start playing space. Now what is space? Supports everything, rejects nothing, doesn't get influenced by anything. Work. Support the son, support the husband, support the father, support the brother, but don't get influenced by anybody. A seeker of truth is not against anything or anybody. Like the vision is not against any color, any form. The nose is not against any smell. The tongue is not against or in favor of any particular taste. Everything is same. Therefore, the real spiritual practice is get out of something special and come to the non-specific existence. Ekastatha sarva bhutantaratma. Like for all the colors and form, there is one Atma, the vision. For all the sense organs, one Atma is the mind. For all the thoughts of the mind, one Atma is the I. And for the I, there is one Atma, the Chetana. And for the Chetana, there is one Atma, the Chaitanya. देखो संतो, करना कुछ नहीं है. We have to be specific, clear. We have to have some higher goal in life. If our goal is, I should get up in the morning late and I should get nice cup of tea. Somebody should come and make me a jago, mohan, pyare, chaya. Daridri? See? Unless you have higher goal, lower things will not be dropped. Eh? Those who are wanting to achieve anything, goal is clear. Like there is one girl, must be class 10 or 12. Not from a very sophisticated, literate and educated or a big business house, no. From an average small little family in a village. She had that, I want to learn shooting. She must have seen on TV and her parents supported her. Okay? And she became one of the best shooter at the age of when she was in class 10 or 12 at the national, international level. So steady, calm and quiet. Perfect in whatever she does. So if the material achievements require commitment, spiritual attainment also requires commitment. Unless that commitment is there, we'll be lost in this world. See? So, ekas tatha sarva bhutantaratma. So let us try to find out the common denominator. What is the common denominator in all of us? Joy and sorrows, gain and loss. It's for everybody. So as we are concerned about our joy and sorrows, our loss and gains, we should have the ability to subordinate our personality and merge with the totality. See friends, spiritual life is not all kinds of makeup only. That is okay in their place. Read Bhagavad Gita, anywhere it is not written. What is the makeup of a devotee? Full stop, U-turn, Y, electric post, railway lines, nothing. See friends, therefore, ekas tatha sarva bhutantaratma na lipyate loka dukkhe bahyaha. Therefore, spiritual practice is miseries will come, but do not become miserable. Eko vashi sarva bhutantaratma ekam rupam baudha yak karoti tamatmastam yenu pashyanti dhiraha tesham sukham shashvatam na etaresham. Eko vashi sarva bhutantaratma. There is one controller which is controlling everything and being. And ekam rupam baudha yak karoti. The one alone is making many things to appear. See? So again the same example, the same man, one becomes so many. The one lady becomes so many. The more we understand this, then all of us, those who are miserable, they do not exist. See? Don't do anything, just relax. Don't react. Slowly, we will develop that faculty. Presently, our expertise is reacting to everything. How do we react? Dekho suno, bak bak karte raho. Develop that faculty. Once you understand spiritual practice is learning from every single experience of life. This thing I learned, I told in some of my talks. One old Amma in Badrinath, I finished my darshan in the morning, 4 o'clock, went to her, sat with her. I said, Mama, chai, yes, tea is ready. Then I said, no more lectures. I am not going to give any more lectures. This happened in 1991. So she started laughing, old lady. I said, why are you laughing? She said, there is a joke, you have to laugh, is it not? What is the joke? She told me this. She said, did Narayana ask you whether you want to give lectures or not? No, he didn't ask. Did I ask you whether you want to give lectures or not? No. Whose question you are answering? I'm not going to. Who cares? You hell with you. Because this I is so strong. Friends, unless he wants, your tongue cannot move. But ahankara vimudhatma, karta ahamiti manyate. I am doing this, I am doing that. You must have experienced in many meetings, it happens. It happened once in one meeting. Therefore, I remember this thing. All were sitting and discussing something. One said, excuse me. So the moment he started preparing to sneeze, everybody was ready with the Purna Kumbha to receive. And there are, and he didn't come. Arey daridri. Nothing is in our hands. But ahankara vimudhatma karta ahamiti manyate. This I is talking. See, when I talks, bitterness comes. When he talks, sweetness comes. My friends, spiritual life is not external paraphernalia. Eko vashi sarvabhutantaratma ekam rupam bahudha karoti. The one alone as if has become many because of the conditioning through which he is expressing. Tam atmastam yenu pashyanti dhiraha. Ye dhiraha, those wise sincere seeker, tam atmastam anupashyanti. They are, see, pashyanti, anupashyanti. Pashyanti means seeing. Anupashyanti means who is seeing? Behind. See? So, are the glasses seeing? No. The eyes are seeing. Are the eyes seeing? No. The mind is seeing. Is the mind seeing? No. I is seeing. Who is this I? Two options. A seer or Paramatma. If a seer is seeing, comments will come. If Paramatma is seeing, no comments. Dekho santo. There cannot be simpler spiritual life than this. Eko vashi sarva bhutantaratma ekam rupam bahudha yak karoti tam atmastham yenu pashyanti dhiraha. Tesham sukham shashvatam na itaresham. They alone attain eternal bliss. Others are lost in blisters. Na itaresham. Not for others. And if we have discovered this truth, we can never be bitter over the past. Past is gone. If you have to remember the past, think something good. Why we remember the bad things of the past? Because bad things are done intentionally and intensely. Good things are casually happening. Like we all have done it. Sometimes you are going somewhere, some child falls down, you go and help him and make him stand and go ahead. Do we mention it anywhere? But something happened. My father scolded me, he was beating me. I don't forget it. Because it was intense. Don't lead such an intense life. Relax. थोड़े गम है, थोड़ी खुशियां, ये जीवन है. So tamatmastham yenu pashyanti dhiraha. So how do we see that reality? Our Maha Mantra, dekho suno mat bolo. The moment we make a comment, somebody is born. Let seeing happen, but seer be not born. Let hearing happen, hearer is not born. Like what is happening with you now. देखो महाराज, तेषाम सुखम शाश्वतम, दे अलोन अटेन्ड complete fulfillment of their life, शाश्वतम सुखम. नित्यो नित्यानाम चेतनश्चेतनानाम एको बहूनाम यो विददाति कामान तमात्मस्तम येनु पश्यन्ति धीराः तेषां शांति शाश्वती नेतरेषाम. नित्यः अनित्यानाम, the eternal supporting the ephemeral. Man is supporting the son, the husband, the father. In this, if the father dies, nothing happens to son. If the wife dies, nothing happens to husband. If the son dies, nothing happens to father. But if the man dies, all they have no existence. Nityaha anityanam. In simple words, the conditioned expressions are not real. A person gets married, he becomes husband and she becomes wife. They divorce. Then second time they get married. So first couple was H1W1. Husband one, wife one. Second time get married. H2W2. Third time. Practice. H3W3. Now the question is, H1 is equal to H2 and H3 is equal to H2, or H3 is a total of H1 plus H1 is equal to H3. And who are miserable? These dummies who do not exist. When somebody doesn't exist, how can we help him? See? Then what is to be done? Tamasha dekho. Like, don't we see the dramas? See the tamasha. And when get chance, tali bajao. Nityo anityanam chetanaschetanaanam. Among all the living beings, the principle of life. See? Again start the journey. Objects are many, come to the source, one sense organs. Sense organs are many, come to the one source, mind. Mind has got likes, dislikes many, come to the I. They mean, thereby you mean do not get influenced by your personal likes and dislikes. Discriminate I. And this I is not all the time available. But the principle of life is all the time available. See, friends, when we go to get ourselves operated, we ask, how is the doctor? Is he good? Yes. But is he having Bharadwaj Gotra? No. He should be capable, that's it. We don't see his whole thing, where he was born, how he was born. No need. Therefore, nitya anityanam chetanaschetanaanam. Then, eko bahunam yo vidadati kaman. The one alone is supporting all the desires. All the fulfillment is possible if you know yourself. Friends, fulfillment of the desires means freedom from desires. Fulfillment of desire is, I wanted a good job, you get a job. But you know, I should get a good wife, you get a good wife. I should get children, you get 1 dozen children. That is not desire fulfillment. Desire fulfillment is freedom from desires. See? Sarvan kaman saha. All desires stand fulfilled simultaneously. Meaning what? There are no lingering desires left in our life. Eko bahunam yo vidadati kaman. Then tam atmastam yenu pashyanti dhiraha. Ye dhiraha tam atmastam anupashyanti. Those who are recognized their own divine nature. Not seeing out here and there. And not seeing inside also. Or else you can. No. If you want to experience the space, will you go into the hole of the needle? Space is there. बाहर क्या है? If you want to experience space, you must relax. Doesn't matter whether you are inside the house or outside the house. I do not get jet lag. Whatever may be the journey. And also the time zone doesn't affect. So one person asked me recently, Swamiji, what is the secret? I said, the secret is I am playing in the flight. What I am playing? I am just playing that all the passengers in the plane, they are traveling along the plane. Plane is moving, they are also moving. But is the space moving? Outside also space, inside also space. Then what is happening? Then the plane is moving in the space. Space is not moving. Yes, then I am space. मजा आ गया. खेल के देखो. But then, oh God, it is, 18 hours I have been traveling, I am no time. You only make yourself tired by imagining, thinking again and again. You are not tired. Relax. The all dumb mind is playing the tricks. Therefore, tam atmastam yenu pashyanti dhiraha. Like the space doesn't get influenced by the bombardment of lights or mosquitoes or human beings. In the same manner, the truth is uncontaminated by the contents. So, tesham shanti shashvatim, they alone attain eternal peace. Shashvatim shantim, na itaresham. Others only keep the name of their wife Shanti. Or their house Shanti Kunja. नारायण ओ महाराज तदेदत इति मन्यन्ते अनिर्देशम परमं सुखम कथम नु तद विजानीयाम किमु भाति विभाति वा. दिस इज व्हाट इट इज. तद एतद इति मन्यन्ते अनिर्देशम. दिस इज हाउ दे आर प्रैक्टिसिंग. एंड देन अनिर्देशम, इट इज लाइक व्हाट? I don't know like what. It is like that. Comparison is possible if there are two things. Suppose somebody has got only one son. So how he will be introduced? He is my elder son. The moment the elder son, that means where is the second fellow? See, therefore, tadetad iti manyante. So what is this? Aniradesham paramam sukham. This bliss is not comparable to anything. It is not like what, like that. Because what kind of knowledge we have, according to that we try to understand. See? So what is our knowledge? This world, very painful, miserable. Therefore, see, Paramatma, God, divinity is without misery, without pain. Oh, so our understanding is the reference to the pain. The truth is beyond pain and miseries, joy and sorrows. Therefore, it is clearly to be understood. Spiritual practice is conscious application of transcending the complementary opposites. थोड़े गम है, थोड़ी खुशियाँ, ये जीवन है. Accept it. But instead of that, we react. And this reacting has become our second nature. For every small little thing, we have to react. थूक दो, थूक. तदेदति मन्यते अनिर्देशम परमम सुखम. It is unlike any experience. See? If a Bengali has to explain what is this happiness like, you can eat as many rasagullas as you can. He cannot go beyond Rasgulla. If you ask a South Indian, it is, as many idlis you can eat. Our happiness is only with reference to something. Aniradesham, it is unlike anything. And friends, if you become little more subtle in your experiences, every experience is unlike any other experience. You are listening me for so many years. Is it every lecture the same experience? And yet it is the same. This is a riddle. So tadedad iti mannyanti anirdesham paramam sugam katham tu tadvijaniyam. I don't know how to explain that so that you can also understand. Katham nu tadvijaniyam kimu bhati vibhati va. What it is like here? Is it like this? It is like that? I don't know how to explain. Okay? Therefore, knowing can be only by being, and being is only by knowing. You cannot know the truth without being the truth. It is unlike. Katham nu tad vijaniyam kimu bhati vibhati va. It is like what? And therefore, this is the most powerful and the most popular mantra. Na tatra suryo bhati na chandra tarakam nema vidyuto bhanti kuto yamagnihi tameva bhantam anubhati sarvam tasya bhasa sarvamidam vibhati. This mantra is used when the sannyasis come. They are received with the nakarmana na prajaya dhanena, and then the arti is shown. That time this mantra is. Even in the Vedic puja, before the god also, they say the same mantra. Now what is that mantra? Na tatra. Tatra means in the reality, the truth. Suryo bhati. Sunlight cannot illuminate that. Then na chandra tarakam. Neither the moon or the stars. Ne ma vidyuto. The Bijli also cannot see that. Kuto yamagnihi, the fire. These are the 5 sources of light. Ayudhanendriyas. When it is said, na tatra suryo bhati na chandra tarakam nema vidyuto bhandi kuto yamagni. If we want to see the eyes with our eyes, etc., we will fail. Therefore, that experience which does not involve operation of the known means of knowledge, that experience is the truth. All that we talk is only referential experiences. So, na tatra suryo bhati, you don't have to worry about day or night. Na chandra tarakam, whether it is cloudy or not cloudy. Na ima vidyuto, bijli has gone, no problem. Fire, lighter khatam ho gaya. Bidi nahi bana sakte. No. Then, tameva bhantam anubhati sarvam. It is in the light of the divinity, everything is illumined. Tasya bhasa. Sarvamidam vibhati. Colors and forms established in the light of the eyes. Eyes are established in the light of the mind. Mind is established in the light of the eye. Eye is established in the light of the Chetana, the life principle. Life principle is established because of the consciousness. Again and again work on this. Sitting comfortably, keep the eyes open. First see what is there, what is there. Then start slowly withdrawing. So what we are playing now, what it is like seeing is happening, but seer is not born. This experience is 24/7. Whether eyes are open or closed makes no difference. On the path of devotion, it is indicated that Jehi vidhi rakhe Ram, tehi vidhi rahi. No reactions. In the path of knowledge, experiences are happening, but experiencer is not born. In both the cases, the meaning is the same. Whatever happens, His will. That means you are not there. His will. तो न इमा विद्युतो भांति कुतो यमग्नि तमेव भांतम अनुभाति सर्वम. Everything is illuminated in the light of that reality. Tasya bhasa sarvamidam vibhati. In the light of this existence, conscious existence, everything comes into existence. Therefore, slowly go back within yourself. And then when you reach the real core, then you come to discover there is nothing like inside outside. This experience, if you like to get some example, in deep sleep. Deep sleep, we are inside the body or outside the body, we are still there. We are as what? As nobody. And because we are nobody, we are happy. The moment we are awake, body identification, we become somebody and samsara begins. Therefore, ya nisha sarva bhutanam tasyam jagrati sayyami. The wise man is the one who is awakened to this divinity, although living in the relative world, and the ignorant man is, although he is divine, he is lost in the relative world. Tameva bhantam anubhati sarvam tasya bhasa sarvamidam vibhati. With this second chapter, second valli is over. Now, after this, now we enter the Tritiya valli. This is dealing about the world. Okay? तुलावधारणेन एव मूलाधारणं वृक्षस्य क्रियते लोके यथा एवं संसार कार्य वृक्ष अवधारणेन तन्मूलस्य ब्रह्मणः स्वरूपादि आधार विषये इयं षष्ठी वल्ली आरभ्यते. By looking at the leaves, we know that the roots are there. Exactly the same way. So from the leaves, we know the roots of the tree, vrikshasya. In the same manner, by looking at the samsara karya vriksha, the samsara is vriksha, the tree. Urdhva mulo avakshaka esha swasya sanatanaha tadev shukrap tad brahma tadeva amrutamachyate tasmin lokashrita sarve tadu natyeti kaschana he tadvai tat. The same thing Bhagavan Krishna has stolen. Urdhamula madashyakam ashvattam prahuravayam chandamsi yasya paranani yastam veda savedavid. So, by looking at the world, the truth is revealed. Now be very attentive. The principle I tell you. Principle is what? Unknown is indicated with reference to the known. This is the rule. Do you know Gupta ji? I don't know Gupta ji. Are yaar, you know that Kapoor? Yes, he is the son-in-law of that Kapoor. Acha. Then you deal with that Gupta ji, son-in-law of Kapoor, and you get your direct experience. Next time, do you know Gupta ji? अच्छी तरह से जानता हूँ. Don't go. Because साक्षात अनुभूति. he has cheated him also. In the same manner, what do we know? We know this world. So, by looking at the world, you can discover the truth. This vision, like in the language of Tulsidas Ji Maharaj, Kamihi nari piyari jimi, lobihi priya jimidam, timi raghunatha nirantara, priya lagaho mohiram. For a greedy person, he cannot think beyond money. In the same manner, for the seeker of the truth, Timi Raghunatha Nirantara, continuous, Priya Lagaho Mohiram, commitment to the truth. Unless we are committed to the truth, our life is merely a wastage of time and opportunity. There was one blind man, he was in a dry well. Those who have gone to Rajasthan, they know there are many wells wherein you can get down by steps. It was a dry well, he went there. How he went, you ask them, I don't know. So the person from above, he said, now go on touching the wall and keep moving. When the door comes, then you can get out. Because he can't see, no eyes. So he starts walking, keeping his hand on the wall inside and keep walking. And when the door comes, that time he gets a khujli. So he keeps walking. Again that gate has gone. Punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam, punarapi janani jatare shayanam. Nikal jao, Baba, nikal jao. We have full opportunity. Let it be the last life. No, but I like this thing. You know how this worldly enjoyments is like the eczema. Observe, those who get eczema, they don't suffer, they enjoy. Others suffer. Hey, stop, yaar. How dirty. See? So the eczema of the eyes is, I want to see something. Eczema of the tongue is, I want this tasty, that tasty food. We are all the victims of eczema. So, by looking at the world, you can know the truth. So, urdhva mula avak shakaha. The world is urdhva, above. And avak shakaha, the branches are below. Is it that the tree is doing Shirshasana? Urdhva mula. Mula is the origin. Urdhva. The truth is above the manifest world. See? If there is no root, there cannot be a tree. But the tree can be without even manifesting as a tree. But the roots can be even manifesting as a tree. So, urdhva, mula, avak, shakaha, the effects. Mula is the cause, shakha is the effect. Shakha. Then, esha ashvattha sanatanaha. This world has always been sanatana like this. This world tree always like this thing. Ashvattha. The tree is given a name. Ashvattha. Ashvattha means the people, the Vatavruksha, banyan tree. And what is the beauty of this tree? Ashvavat tishtati. Shva means tomorrow. A means not. Ashva. So, it is like the horse. Horse doesn't stand like a mule, constantly moving. Or that which is constantly changing. Be attentive. Don't go to see that world, the tree. That tree is you and me. Urdhva moolam. Dabate jao, urdhva moolam. Adhashakam. Eating from the mouth, growing down. This also I told you. Plants eat from below, grow upward. Animals eat from the front, grow backward. We are eating from above, growing downward. What next? Eat from back, grow forwards. See the circle? So as regard evolution is concerned, as human beings, we have attained complete evolution at the level of the Upadhi. Therefore, what is the next pending in our life? See? Ahara, Nidra, Bhaya, Maithunancha. 4 things are common between us and animals. If we are human beings, what is pending? The pending is spiritual evolution. And my friends, what is spiritual evolution? Be attentive. ना कुछ पाना ना कुछ खोना. Then, how to lead life? Time pass. He said like that. I said like that. मैं नहीं खाऊंगा. अरे राम 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 राम. All spirituality का सत्यानाश. ऊर्ध्व मूल अवशाखा ईश्वर सनातनः. And this has always been like this. Nothing is ever created new in this world. You know, if you read the mantra, various mantras, there, like or Panduranga Bhagwan, Vitthal Bhagwan. Pandu means white. Panduranga means white colored, but he is black. अरे यार कंफ्यूजन हो गए. So many worlds, so many Brahmaji, so many Vishnu, so many Shivas. It's not only one. We are in one of the Brahmanda. Like there are so many states, so many chief ministers, CHEP, chief ministers. So, the other day I was in Delhi, many years before, and near the, what do you call that, welcome counter. And that person who was there, he was known to me. So he said, Swamiji, you want to see something, I'll show you, come. So because I was his guest, I went inside. He said, you just sit there, indifferent, as if I'm reading something, and watch what happens. So I was watching. One person came. I am the commerce minister. वहाँ जाके बैठो. I am commerce minister. Here hundreds of ministers come. Line में लगो. In the same manner. मैं ब्रह्मा जी हूँ. कौन सा ब्रह्मांड? These stories come in Bhagavad Mahapuran. So on one camel, a huge load of people were carried. They, the Chitragupta or whosoever maybe said, have you seen that camel carrying? They are all Brahmaji. You go there. Dekho Maharaj. So, this is not only, because it is not real, it is just appearance. Urdhva Mool Avak Shaka Ashwasa Sanatana Tadeva Shukram Tad Brahma. And that reality alone is immaculate, pure. That is Brahman. Tad Eva Amrita Muchyate. That is the ultimate reality, the immortality. Tasmin Loka Shrita Sarve. All experiences are possible only when we are alive. See? When a dead body is put on the fire, ज़्यादा ही गर्म हो रहा है यार. No. देखो, तदु नातेति कश्चन एतद् वै तत्. So the one which is supporting everything but doesn't get influenced by anything is the reality. Now this principle apply. Our tongue supports all the tastes but doesn't get influenced by any taste. Our nose supports all the smells, doesn't get influenced by any smell. the more you work on it, then slowly, slowly, one day by God's grace, it will just click. Here, the commentary of Bhagwan Shankaracharya is so superb. If you really want to enjoy the Sanskrit literature, this commentary is one of the best one. Yadidam kincha jagat sarvam prane ejate nisrutam mahad bhayam vajram udyatam ya etad vidu amrutate bhavanti. See? The whole world is under the control of this prana shakti and mahad bhayam vajram udyatam. As if under the compulsion of the divine will, everything is functioning in this world. Etad viduhu te amruta bhavanti. Those who know this reality, under whose command and compulsion the whole world is moving, they amruta bhavanti. They attain immortality, meaning they go beyond death and birth. When a person, one couple came to me the other day, and the husband said, Swamiji, please tell her, at least for my sake, I am elder than her, she should not insult me. I said, look here, I am not biased. So let us find out. All problems can be sorted out by proper thinking. The problems are because of wrong thinking. When are you married? So many years before. But how many? 15 years? Yes. Did you get married one after another or together? What is this? We got married together. So every husband and every wife, they are of the same age. Who is miserable? Not the man and the woman. Husband and the wife. Husband and wife are the same age. Now in your case, how many? 15 years. You will fight for another 4 years. But how can you say 4 years is what? 15 plus 4? 19. Teenage will be over. You are fighting because you are still teenagers. कब तो बड़े हो जाओ. Grow and then you will come to know, यही ठीक है. See? Yadidam kincha jagat sarvam prane ejate nisrutam. Whole world is supported by this prana shakti. Mahad bhayam vajram udyatam. Viduhu amrutate bhavanti. Therefore, as if it is under the divine will, everything is moving. Bishasmad vata pavate bisho deti suryaha. Oh, same, very good, same mantra has come. Bhayadasya agnistapati bhayat tapati suryaha. Bhayad indrasya vayuscha mrutyurdhavati panchameti. Under the fearful rod of this reality, the fire continues to be hot, the sun continues to give light and heat. Bhayat indrasya vayuscha. Indra is showering the rains, Vayu is constantly moving. Mrutyurdhavati panchamaha. Even the death is afraid of this reality. Death cannot kill you. You are that reality. After studying Kathopanishad, even if a passing thought about your own death comes in your head, so far whatever you have done, Ganga ji mein mil gaya. Useless. Even a passing thought of one's death should not come. If that thought comes, it's clear indication you are holding on to your body. मर के दिखाओ. Friends, you are reading Kathopanishad. मरना अलाउ नहीं है. देखो. भयाद अस्या अग्निस्तपति. Under the fearful rod of this, the whole world is moving. And therefore, इह चेद अशगत बोद्धुम प्राक शरीरस्य विसृतः ततः सर्गेषु लोकेषु शरीरत्वाय कल्पते. If इह चेद अशगत बोद्धुम प्राक शरीरस्य विसृतः, if we are able to recognize the divinity before the body is dropped, you have attained fulfillment in life. You will have no next life. इह चेद अशकत बोद्धुम प्राक शरीरस्य विसृतः ततः सर्गेषु लोकेषु शरीरत्वाय कल्पते. And if you are not able to know your essential nature right now, again punarapi jananam punarapi maranam, continue the same tamakun chuna ragarte jao karte. How simple it is. Therefore, all the spiritual practice is only this. We have to empty ourselves completely, then the truth is revealed. This example also given a number of times. Today only I was packing my bag. But tomorrow, day after I have to go. So, any suitcase you take, it is always small. And you keep on putting the things. Sit on that, pull the chain, and the chain breaks. Oh. Add some more space. How can you add space in this suitcase? It's filled. How to add space? Empty the contents. Space is there. In the same manner, empty kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsarya. The divinity is manifest. It is okay for singing. कौन कहता है भगवान आते नहीं, पुलिस के जैसे तुम बुलाते नहीं, इधर आजा. Tabla pedi has nothing to do with spirituality. See, my friends, recognize this truth. We are here only to let the divinity express through us. And it can be done only if you empty yourself. And you can empty yourself if you are wise. If you are otherwise, you will feel again and again and continue miserable throughout life. When somebody is miserable once, you go and console. Second time, you okay, ठीक हो जाएगा. Third time, again the same thing comes. Kindly, talk, I am listening to you. Take the newspaper upside down and listen. Again, fourth time comes, please keep sitting and I am going to toilet. Yad gatva nani vartante. See, friends, you are divine. Let the divinity express through us. Sarvani bhutani enam samvanchanti. Even this mantra Bhagavan has stolen from here in the 5th chapter. Shaknoti he vayas sodum prak sharirasya visrataha. Before we are able to stand to the kama krodhodbhavam vegam samuktasya sukhi naraha. If we are able to transcend aveg of desire and anger comes as a flood. See? He was able to stand. Shaknoti he vayas sodum prak sharirasya visrataha. Then he will never be miserable. Otherwise, continue the same thing and suffer and make others suffer because of you. Yatha darshe tathatmani, yatha sapne tatha pitroloke, yatha apsu pariyadadrushe tatha gandharoloke, chaya tapayor brahmaloke. Now, this is the concluding part of this Upanishad. Tomorrow we will try to conclude by God's will. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.